can start with the basic shapes, that is rectangle. Okay, rectangle, square. Okay, so I will give you the formulas for the same. First write down everyone the formulas. Okay, so this is, we have a square. This is a square. Square is having four sides, and all the four sides are what? Equal. Their sides length are what? Equal. So area of the square is nothing but side into side. Okay, and perimeter of a square is nothing but 4 into sides, because we have 4 sides, and if we add or we can multiply all these sides, then we can get the total length of this square. Okay, so this is the area for the square and perimeter of the square. Then second figure we can go for the rectangle. Okay, so rectangle where opposite sides are parallel, or pair of opposite sides are parallel, this is length L and this is breadth B. Okay, then area of the rectangle is nothing but L into B, and perimeter is nothing but 2 into the bracket L plus B. Okay, so these are nothing but what? Area and perimeter for the rectangle. So copy these formulas. Copy these both the formulas, area of a rectangle and area of the rectangle and area of the square. Okay, both formulas are there. So based on this we can do the problems. Write down first question. Find the area of the square. Find the area of the rectangle. First write down, find the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. Okay, and write down the length and breadth. Okay, whose length is L is equal to, 5.5 centimeter, and breadth is, we have 2.4 centimeter. Okay, they are asking us to find out the area over here. So how to calculate the area of the rectangle over here? What is the area of the rectangle? Write down the formula first. Area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Length is given 5.5, breadth is nothing but 2.4. Now do this multiplication. So after doing this multiplication, we will get the answer 132. Two decimals are there, so 1.32 centimeter square is the area. Okay, so this is nothing but what your answer. 105 4s are 20, no, sorry, so this 0, no, 1 2, so 13.20 is the answer. Getting this? Can you getting this answer? How to do multiplication? Check. 55 into 24, 5 4s are 20, 2 will come, 5 4s are 20, plus 2 is a 22, 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 will come, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 0, 2, this is 3 and this is 1. So here after decimal 2 digits are there, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 adjust this, then you will get 13.20 is the answer. Okay, second bit, write down, calculate the area of the rectangle whose length is given 180. Okay, second bit only given in this area, length is equal to 180, length is given 180 meter and breadth is given 140 centimeter. Okay, calculate this area. Okay, area is nothing but what here? Again write down the formula, L into B, 180 into 140, so 18 into 14, 252, and these two zeros are there, so meter square. This much is the area we are getting. Okay, understood? Okay, getting this. Okay, copy this. Calculate this. Finished. Okay, so write down the next question. Calculate the area of the square. Calculate the area of the square whose sides are 1.2 centimeter 1.2 centimeter and second bit 5.6 meters. Okay, so we know that area of the square is nothing but how much? Side into side, that is a square. So calculate that. Check the answer, how much you will get. I already gave the formula. Check what is the answer for that. So first square what I gave, what is the value for a side? What is the value I gave for first square? Square is having side how much? Yes, someone can type. How much is the side I gave? Okay, so here find the area of the square. I gave the answer. Someone can type the answer. What is the answer we got? Okay, check and then calculate the area of the square for 2.6 and 1.2 meter. So here the square I am taking another two different sides. Okay, and that remaining two which I gave dictated you, that you can do it as a homework. Okay, so here one side of the square is given. Side is nothing but here 2.6 centimeter and we have to find out the area for this. So area of a square, area of the square is nothing but what? Side into side. So that is nothing but here 2.6 into 2.6. So answer is here 676. Okay, 676 centimeter square. Two digits are there after decimal point. So 1, 2. So 6.76 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, getting this. So another okay, copy this much. Calculate, write down this. Okay, finished. Write down next question. A door of diameter, write down. So you see here some basic I took about the rectangle and square. Okay, very direct formulas we have. So put the values you will get. So write down some application oriented question. A door of dimension 3 meter into 2 meter. A door of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter. Okay, 3 into 2 meter That means 3 is nothing but here length and 2 meter is nothing but breadth. Okay. The door of the dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter is on the wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the cost of painting the wall. Find the cost of painting the wall. Find the cost of painting the wall. If rate of painting is 2.50 rupees 2.50 rupees per square meter. 2.50 rupees per square meter. Okay. So here, see, we have a different question here. Okay. So here we have a wall. Wall is of dimension 10 by 10. 10 meter into 10 meter. Okay. I will draw the figure here. I'll check my marker. Yeah. So here we have a wall. This is wall we have, and wall length is 10 meter and this is also 10 meter. Okay. There is a door. Okay. There is a door in this wall. So this is not the door. Okay. And this door is having 2 meter width and 3 meter length we have. Okay. So how to calculate this? So how to calculate here? They want to paint this wall. Okay. So we have to see the shaded part. They want to paint. Okay. So this is a rectangular shaped wall is there, and square rectangular shaped door is there, and square shaped wall is there. I want to find out the shaded part which I colored with the red. Okay, so what we have to do here? Here we have to first calculate this area of the wall. Okay, then calculate the area of the door and subtract that door from the area of the wall. Then you will get the answer, and whatever answer we are getting, that you can multiply with the given cost. Okay, so I will find out here area of the wall first. Area of the wall. Area of the wall is nothing but what here? Square, no? Because both the sides are same. So I will multiply here. First I will write the formula side into side. That is 10 into 10 is nothing but 100 meter square. Okay, 100 meter square. Now I can find out area of a door. Okay, area of a door is nothing but length into breadth, because this is rectangular in shape. In rectangle, opposite pairs are same, but adjacent sides are not same. So like that we have to identify. One is 3, another is 2. That means this is rectangle, and here in wall all the sides are given same. So length into breadth 2 into 3, no? That is nothing but 6 meter square. So area of remaining part of a wall is nothing but area of wall minus area of door. Okay, so 100 minus 6, nothing but 94 meters square is the wall part is there. Okay, if we remove the door, then we will get only wall part is 94. And for that 94 meter square, they are given cost also, no? So cost of painting is nothing but 94, and per meter square how much rupees are saying? 2.50. 2.50. Multiply this 2.50. Check what is the answer you are getting. Something 235 rupees. 235 rupees. This is what the answer. Getting this? Yes. Those who are joined, they are able to understand what I am solving, how we are solving. Just give a thumbs up or just mark it over there. Okay, everyone copied now. So finished, copied. Okay, write down next question. Write down next question. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Write down the questions properly. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Full stop. Its length is 40 centimeter. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is bent, if the same wire is bent in the shape of square, in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? What will be the measure of each side? Full stop. Also find which side encloses more area. Also find which side encloses more area. I will repeat this question. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Full stop. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Full stop. If the same wire is bent in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which side encloses more area. Also find which side encloses more area. Okay, so this kind of questions are very important. Here wire is given. Okay, so this wire, it is given in the shape of rectangle. I hope everyone is copied this previous problem. Okay, so I will try to cover all the variety of the numericals today and tomorrow for area and perimeter. Okay, so here the wire is given which is in the rectangular shape. I will draw the diagram also. Okay, this is a rectangle and whose length is 40. Whose length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter is given. Okay, if the same wire is converted or bent it into the square. So this wire first initially they bent into the rectangle and after that they converted into what? Square. Okay, they converted into the square, but we don't know how much is the side of each square. We have to find out that side. Okay, so the wire, initially the wire is what, like this. Now that is bend it in such a way that rectangle is formed. So can I first find out the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. So 2, what is the length here? 40. Breadth is 22. So how much? 2 into 62 and 2 2s are 4 and this is 12. So total perimeter of the rectangle is 24. That means length of the wire is also 124 centimeter, no? Correct? So whatever is the length of the wire, the same wire is bent it into the rectangle and the same wire is converted into what? For the square, no? So here again can we take perimeter of the square here? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into s. 4 into s is nothing but side. Okay. So whatever the perimeter of the rectangle is there, same perimeter of the square only, no? So this is 124 is equal to 4 into side. Okay. So side is nothing but what? 124 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4. So side of square is nothing but what? 31 centimeter. That's it, we have to calculate. Okay. So side of the square here, how much? We have each side of the square is 31 centimeter. Can you getting this? And after that they are asking the, now once we get the side, then they are asking what will be the measure of each side and also find the side encloses, which side encloses more area. Okay. So here once we get a rectangle, calculate the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So 40 into 22, that is 880 centimeters square. And in here area of the square 31 into 31. Okay, that is nothing but 31 square is nothing but, we can get it as 961. Okay, 961 centimeter square. So square encloses more area than the rectangle. Okay, getting this up to here? Can you getting? Just message, type the message if you are getting. Who all are there? Okay. Okay. Understood up to here? Okay, write down the next question. Write down next question. A marble tile measures 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter, full stop. How many tiles will be required? How many tiles will be required to cover a wall of size, 3 meter into 4 meter, 3 meter into 4 meter, question mark. Also find the total cost of the tiles. Also find the total cost of the tiles at the rate of rupees 2 per tile. Rupees 2 per tile. Okay, I will explain, I will repeat this problem one more time. A marble tile measures 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover wall of size 3 meter into 4 meter? Also find the total cost of the tiles at the rate of rupees 2 per tile. Okay, there is a marble tile is there. Okay, that is in the rectangle shape, and that sides are given 10 into 12. Okay, if the both the sides are different, that means that is a rectangle. Okay, here marble is of rectangle shape, and they are asking how many tiles we require to keep on the wall or to fit on the wall, and that wall size is given 3 meter into 4 meter. Okay, tile ka size is given in centimeter and wall size is given in meter. Okay, tiles are smaller than the wall, of course. Okay, so what we have to do first we have to calculate the marble tile ka area. Okay, then you have to calculate the wall area. Okay, and then you can divide that, so you will get number of tiles required, and once you get the tile required, then that tile multiplied by 2, then you will get the total cost. Okay, so here first calculate the wall of the marble, tile of the marble. First write down the tile of the marble or marble tile. Marble tile length are given, no, length and breadth, that is 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Okay, then area, the tile is in a rectangular shape. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth, that is 10 into 12, that is nothing but 120 centimeter square. Convert this into meter because wall is in the terms of meter. Wall dimensions are in terms of meter. So if we want to convert this centimeter into meter, we are dividing by 100, but here it is centimeter square. So 100 into 100, so 10,000. These zeros are get cancelled. 1, 2, 3 are there. 0.012 meter square is the area of a one tile. Okay, area of one tile we will get. Now calculate the area of wall. Okay, again that is also rectangle only, length into breadth, and that is given how much? 3 into 4. Okay, we will write here 3 into 4, that is nothing but 12 meters square. 12 meters square, and here we have to calculate how many tiles we are requiring to fit into the 12 meter square area. Okay, number of tiles we can calculate. Here one tile is of this much area, then to fit in 12 meter square wall, how much tiles we require? Okay, 12 divided by 0.012. Okay, now simplify this, or you can write 12 upon 12 divided by 100. Okay, so not 100, 1000. So 1000 will go up. Okay, so 12000 divided by 12. So we will get here 1000. So answer is nothing but what? 1000. Okay, then 1000 tiles are required to put on the 12 meter square wall, and total cost of this, total cost of a tiles is nothing but what? 2 rupees for 1000 tiles. One tile contains 2 rupees and 1000 tiles will contain 2000 rupees. So this is the cost. Getting this? Getting this kind of numericals? Getting the questions? Do you have any doubts, queries? Here I covered some centimeter to meter conversion also. Okay. Everyone can copy this fast. Okay, copied. So write down next. Write down the area of a parallelogram is 24 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter square. Full stop. If base is 5 centimeter, if base is 5 centimeter, find the altitude of the parallelogram. Find the altitude of the parallelogram. Okay, I'll repeat this question. The area of a parallelogram is 24 centimeter square. Full stop. If base is 5 centimeter, find the altitude of the parallelogram. Okay, so here given figure is the parallelogram. Okay, and we know that area of the parallelogram is nothing but B into H. Okay, very important formulas. You must have to learn these formulas. Okay, so here parallelogram where opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is nothing but what your parallelogram, and area of the parallelogram is nothing but base into height. So this is nothing but what? Height. Okay, because this parallel slanting height we are not taking. So we are taking straight height which is perpendicular, and that height is this. Now here in the given question, area is given. Area of the parallelogram is given how much here? 24 centimeter square. Okay, and what is given? Base is given. No, base is given 5 centimeter, and they are asking here to calculate height. So write the formula. B into H. Area is 24. B is nothing but 5 here into height. So height is nothing but 24 by 5 centimeter. Give the answer as it is. Getting this question? Okay, some simple questions we have here. Copy this properly. Okay. Getting this? Now, next question, write down. Write down the next question. The area of a triangle is 50 centimeter square. The area of a triangle is 50 centimeter square. Full stop. If the altitude is 8 centimeter, if the altitude is 8 centimeter, what is the length of its base? What is the length of its base? I will repeat. The area of a triangle is 50 centimeter square. Full stop. If the altitude is 8 centimeter, what is the length of its base? What is the length of its base? Okay, so here triangle is given. Okay, and we know that in our syllabus area of the triangle is nothing but what? Half into base into H. Okay, suppose we have, this is a triangle, this is the height H, and this is what? Base B. Okay, for this we can write area half into B into H. Okay, this is the area, and here the area of a triangle A is given how much? 50 centimeter square is given. Okay, And altitude is nothing but what? Height is given 8 centimeter. Okay, height is given, and they are asking length, base of the height they are asking. Okay, so area is nothing but, always write the formula first and then put the values. Here 50 half b h into 8. So this is nothing but 4, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 4 is multiplied, transpose here. So 50 divided by 4 centimeter is the answer. Or if you want to simplify, you can write 25 by 2. That is nothing but how much? 12.5 centimeter. Getting this? Okay. Getting this kind of questions. Okay. Every question I am taking different, so that you will comes to know that variety of figures and their areas and perimeters. Okay. Write down next question. Write down next question. The circumference of the circle is 66 meter. The circumference of the circle is 66 meter. Full stop. Find its radius. Find its radius. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. So write down here, circumference of the circle is given. Okay, whenever there is a circumference is given, that means they are giving the length of the circle. Okay, perimeter is there, perimeter of a circle, semicircle, that means they are giving the length. So just now, before 2 questions back, I told you, perimeter, circumference, they all are the same. That means they are giving in short their length. So here, perimeter of a circle is given 66 centimeter. Correct, no? 66 is given. Yeah, 66 meter. Okay, 66 meter is given, and they are asking us to calculate the radius. So perimeter of the circle, that means circumference only. Okay, circumference. So circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. So we have this formula for a circumference of the circle, and we are interested in radius. Okay, so adjust this equation for r. Then C by 2 pi. Circumference is 66 and 2 pi is 22 by 7. So here 22 ones are 22, 23 3s are 66, 7 will go up, 21 by 2 centimeter. That is nothing but, you can write it as half of this. That is 10.5. Okay, you can write that answer. Okay, 10.5 centimeter is nothing but whatever radius. Okay, getting this? Then write down next question. Getting this kind of question, how the questions are there and what we have to calculate. Okay, use the formulas and rearrange the terms to get the required answer or desired answer. Getting this kind of questions, write down next question. Find the perimeter of a semicircle. Find the perimeter of the semicircle with diameter 42 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a semicircle with diameter 42 centimeter. Okay, so here diameter is given, very important. Okay, diameter is given 40, how much? 42 centimeter. Okay, 42 centimeter, and everyone must know the relation between diameter and radius. Okay, so here we know that diameter is nothing but twice of r, and if we want a radius, r is nothing but radius, and if I want radius, then I am dividing the diameter by 2, then I will get a radius. So here suppose if I have diameter is 42 by 42, and if I am dividing that by 2, then I will get radius. So 221 centimeter is nothing but what here? Radius. And this is, they are saying half circle. That means they are saying this is a semi-circle. That means this is not entire circle. Okay, this is nothing but what? Half. We have to take only half. That is a semi-circle. Okay. For full circle, we have a perimeter 2 pi r. If it is half, then divide by 2. Then 2 get cancelled. Pi r. And if I am taking pi 22 by 7 and radius is 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 and 22 into 3 is 66 centimeter. This is the circumference of the semicircle. Getting this? How I am solving? Getting this? Yes, you all are getting. Who all are there? If you are getting, please type as yes. Write down next question. Write down next question. The base and height of a field. The base and the height of a field in the form of parallelogram. In the form of parallelogram are 12 meter and 5 meter, 12 meter and 5 meter respectively, 12 meter and 5 meter respectively. Full stop. Find the cost of plugging. Find the cost of plowing the field. Find the cost of plowing the field at the rate of 6 per square meter. 6 per square meter. I will repeat this. The base and height of a field in the form of parallelogram are 12 meter and 5 meter respectively. Find the cost of plugging the field at the rate of rupees 6 per square meter. Okay. So here the base and height of the parallelogram given. Okay. That area is the shape of parallelogram. Okay. And we have to find out the cost of that field. Okay. And field is given in the form of what? Parallelogram. The field shape is nothing but what here? Parallelogram. They are asking to plugging the field. Okay. So first you must have to know how much is the area of that field. Then only we can able to calculate the plugging rate. Okay. So here this is the base and this is nothing but what? Height. So area of this parallelogram is height into base or base into height. And here how much is the base and height is given. So here base and height is given 12 and 5. Okay, 12 into 5. So this is 60 centimeter square. Is it meter or yeah, it is meter. It is meter square. So area is nothing but what here? 60 meter square. So if this is the area, then we have to calculate the cost of plugging. So total cost, how we can calculate? Total cost required is nothing but area into amount. Okay, area we have 60 and amount per meter square there is a 6 rupees. So 360 rupees we require to plug this field. Getting this? Okay, copy this. You all are getting what I am teaching? Write down next question. If write down next one. The area of a right angle triangle. The area of a right angle triangle is 75 centimeters square. Is 75 centimeters square. Full stop. If one of the sides containing if one of the sides containing the right angles if one of the sides containing the right angles is 5 centimeter is 5 centimeter, full stop, find the other side. Find the other side. Find the other side. I'll repeat this. The area of a right angle triangle is 75 centimeters square. If one of the side containing the right angles is 5 centimeter, find the other side. Find the other side. Getting? So here area of the right angle is given. So which formula we can use? Just now we learned no, area of a triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Okay. So right angle triangle is given. So here we have the right angle triangle. This is what the right angle triangle. Okay. And this area is given 75 meters square. Is it? Yeah. 75 centimeters square. Then they are saying one of the side is 5. One of the side is 5 meter. Then find out the other. So area is nothing but what? Half into base into height. So area is nothing but 75. 1 by 2. Base here 1 is and height we have to calculate. So 2 I will transpose here. 75 into 2. 5 is multiplied. It is get divided. Here h. 5 ones are 5. Okay. So here 17. So 17 twos are how much? 17 twos are 34. H. 34 centimeter is the another side. Getting this? Okay, copy this. Okay. Which this one? Here triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means we have one angle is 90 degree. Okay. Height is given here 5. Sorry. One of the side is given 5. Then another side we have to find out. Okay. So area of a right angle triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Okay. So one side you can take either height or base as a 5 and 1 by 2. 2 is divided, no? When you transpose to that side, it is gets multiplied, and 5 is multiplied to this side. When you transpose to that side, it is what gets divided. Okay, getting this? And then do the calculations. Getting? Okay, write down next one. In the given figure, find the area of the shaded portion. In the given figure, find the area of shaded portion. In the given figure, find the area of shaded portion. Okay. So given figure is that this is also one application based question. Here we have to find out the area of two different figures and then we have to find out the answer. Okay. So here the figure is given. This is what the square and there is a circle inside it, and this area we have to calculate. Okay, and side is given, this is a square and side is given 10 centimeter. Okay, and this circle is having radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, if I want to calculate the shaded portion, that means you have to calculate the area of the square first, then calculate the area of the circle. Okay, then area of the circle you can subtract it from the square, then you will get the shaded portion. Okay, so I will write here area of square. Don't forget to write the formula. So side into side, that is nothing but 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeter square. Okay, then area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5 into 3.5. So 0.5 here. 22 into 0.5 is nothing but 11, means 11.0, that is 11 into 3.5. Okay, do this multiplication. 35 into 11, 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 5, 8, 3. 385, that is 38.5 centimeter square is the shaded portion I am getting. So to get the shaded portion, you have to subtract the area of the circle from the square. Okay, getting up to here. Okay, copied up to here. Getting the questions, how we are solving, how to think, what are the given quantities, identify the shape, identify the polygon, and try to apply the appropriate formula for that. Okay, if you practice every day, then only you can able to solve these questions in exams properly. Okay, because again we have next year mensuration, next year also we have, in 10th also we have. Okay, so learn all these basic formulas properly. Okay, write down next question. Write down next question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, comma, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed, full stop. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Full stop. Next, right, I will repeat this. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. And they are asking us to take the value for pi is nothing but 3.14. We have to take the value for pi is nothing but 3.14. Okay, so here circular, both sheets are circular only they are having different radii. Okay, so here we have actually two circles. Okay, concentric circle, that means they are in one another. I will draw with a different color. So one we have the bigger circle, okay, and another is having this, okay, and the bigger one is having the radius 4. The bigger one is having a radius 4 centimeter and smaller one is having a radius 3 centimeter, and what they are saying, this 3 centimeter circle is removed out. Okay, so what will remain here? After removing this small portion, only this part will leave. This part is what remaining. Okay, how we have that polo mouth freshener, no, like this, like a wheel, it will remain this much only. Okay, so once, so how to calculate this? So we can calculate, no, by using the area of a circle. So I will find out, I will use B for bigger circle. Area of the bigger circle is nothing but pi r square, and pi is nothing but, I will keep it as it is, and r is nothing but 4 square. That is nothing but 4 into 4 is 16 pi centimeter square. Okay, then I will calculate here area of the smaller circle, and area of the smaller circle is again pi r square, and pi I will keep it as it is. R is nothing but what, smaller circle के लिए R मेरे पास है 3 square, that is nothing but 9 pi square, pi centimeter square. This is the area of the smaller one. Okay, so once you get this, then you can subtract the smaller circle, no, you can subtract the smaller circle from the bigger one. So the area remaining, write down, area remaining, area remaining is nothing but area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Area of the bigger is nothing but 16 pi, and area of the smaller one is 9 pi. Okay, pi I will take common, so 16 minus 9, that is nothing but how much, 7. Okay, now you can substitute the value for pi, that is 3.14. Okay, 7 2 7 9, so answer is here 219.8 centimeter square is the remaining shaded part. Can you getting? So don't put the value of a pi at the beginning. Okay, if you are keeping the value of a pi at the beginning, then the calculations are what get increased. Okay, and that consumes our time also. So instead of that, you can try to keep the pi as it is. Okay, and at the end, when we are calculating the area of a area remaining or shaded part, in that case, once you get the final answer in terms of pi, then you can keep the value for pi. Okay, and then you can calculate for the final answer. Getting this? Understood everyone? Okay, this kind of questions are also very important. Okay, I hope everyone is getting this. Finished? Write down in the adjoining figure. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle with dimensions 24 meter into 16 meter. 24 meter into 16 meter. Full stop. Triangle CED triangle CED is such that EF is perpendicular. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD and EF is equal to 10 centimeter and EF is equal to 10 centimeter. Full stop. Calculate the area of a shaded portion. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. I will repeat. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle with dimensions 24 meter into 16 meter. A triangle CED is such that EF is perpendicular to CD and AF is equal to 10 centimeter. EF is equal to 10 centimeter. EF is equal to 10 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. So draw this figure. This figure is given. Okay. So name it here. This is A, B, C and D. Okay. And this is 16 meter. This is 24 meter and this is EF, which is of 10 centimeter. Okay. And here the shaded portion is this. Okay. This is nothing but what? Your shaded portion. Okay. So I want to calculate the shaded portion here. Now can you able to find out here? First you can, if I want the shaded portion, then first you can calculate the area of the rectangle. Okay, once you get the area of a rectangle, area of the rectangle once you get, then you can calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, because base that DC is given, no, this is AB is nothing but 16. Okay, AB is nothing but 16. That means DC is also 16, no? Because pair of opposite sides in the rectangles are same. So first you can calculate the area of the triangle, then calculate the area of the rectangle, and then subtract the triangle from the rectangle. You will get the answer. Okay. So I will calculate area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Don't forget to write the formulas. If you are very good at maths also, but you have to write the formula. For writing correct formula, you will get marks. Okay. So here length is there 16 into 24. Okay. So 24 into 16, do this multiplication. (384 meters square). Okay. Then area of a triangle is nothing but what? Half into base into height. So half base is nothing but 16 and height is 10. So here 4. Okay, sorry, not 4, 8. 8 into 10 is 80 meters square. Then you can calculate the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion is nothing but what? Area of a shaded portion is nothing but area of a rectangle minus area of the triangle. Okay. So that is 384 minus 80 is nothing but what here? You will get 304 meters square. Getting this? This is the answer. I hope you are getting the questions which we are covering here. Getting this kind of questions? Understood? Okay. Again I will conduct by tomorrow. Tomorrow's timing I will let you know on the group. Okay. So I will stop here only. So you can copy this. Those who are pending, whose writing is pending, they can copy this fast. Then I will end this meeting. Finished? Okay. Then you can leave the meeting. Okay. So I already finished from my end. So tomorrow we can again continue with the same chapter. Some other numericals we can do. Okay. Thank you for joining. Okay. We can meet tomorrow. I will message you the timings about the tomorrow session.